Yeah.
Oh my god.
Can't slide, you can't drive.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's dangerous operation. That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
What is going on over here?
We're gonna be dipping some rims.
Okay.
Alright, when you dip, I dip, we dip, right?
Wow, those holes are just dirty.
Oh, that's a dirty.
Yeah. You got a lot of cleaning to do there, bud. Scrubbity scrub. So step one is obviously clean the rim before you spray it. I think that's with any paint process. You should always clean your surface. We are using the lovely brake cleaner to get off all this.
No, it's actually a special.
Are you actually
cleaner.
using it?
Yeah, it's meant for to take all this grime off. What was that?
Huh?
What was that?
2,000 years later.
So this guy's still working on that one rim. He's still got 2, 3, 4. Yo, you're lucky this ain't a 6x6, bro.
Might have to call in sick if it was.
Right?
Alright, so this is called the very high-end technique that is done in the car.
It's called
community.
blocking.
It's called what?
Blocking.
Blocking?
Yeah, you're blocking the paint from getting on the tire.
Wow, it's very technical, Sean.
Bro, what do you do? Yo, Anton. Bro, I can't put that. Oh, I thought you were.
You can always put it on if you want.
We're so immature.
Oh, it comes out so nice when it's... So here's a little life hack. Put it in hot water before using it.
Sprays better?
Yeah, it sprays.
Does it actually say it on the instructions?
I don't think so. If it doesn't, it should.
That means most people don't read the instructions. Start with a thin layer first, just to get a coating for the rest of it to grab onto. And how many layers is this gonna take?
Probably several.
You recommend like 1 tin per rim?
To be honest, probably. But maybe we can get away with 3.
3 what?
Cans for the floor.
Just make sure it's a very thick layer.
This is really nice.
And I would recommend a face mask.
The hot water is amazing.
And I would recommend popping the door just a hair.
Yeah.
No, that's too.
That's too much. I don't know what you've been in.
That's a bush hair.
How did you manage that, bro?
Manage what?
The paint in the front, in the same front, in the same middle of the front.
I was trying to look like you, but I didn't finish the job.
Wow. I don't know, it's not looking like he's done. Did you tell him he could take a break? Did you tell him he could take a break?
Yeah.
You told him.
Yeah.
But these aren't done yet.
But no, not yet.
So why the hell did he get a break?
Oh, because we are in break, we have to wait that this get dry.
He's lucky you're his boss right now. If I was here, fuck, that mother would be working. Alright, Anton, back to work. Break's over, let's go. Snap, snap.
No, the moral of the story is, let me explain to you, is you gotta get the hard to reach cracks first. And then you get the easy to reach cracks. You understand?
What's going on, Wes?
Just another oil change for our friend here.
Yes, Mr. T himself.
T himself.
Well, actually not Mr. T, Big T. You got a nice car here, Big T. If only you kept it clean.
Look at the plate.
Oh, T. At least he's helping me, bro. I don't have to blur out his plate now. Big T, your car is ready.
Ready?
Ready.
Oh man, it feels so weird being on camera again. Big Plasti.
Oh. I low-key thought that was a snowball.
See, good thing I turned into a fake snowball.
Big fastball.
You like that? I aimed right at the thing.
I fucking thought you would have hit me.
Yo, you gotta see this bench. What happened? Brother, what happened?
I'm just as confused as you was.
You should take the... Just don't give it gas, let go of the brake. Ready?
Is it running over something?
No, it's running over itself.
Oh!
Bro, the whole front end is like jerking. That
Check
means
on the floor, is something scraping?
What the hell?
There's something on the floor?
just mouth. Close your mouth again.
Is something on the floor?
My jaw.
The axle fucked.
Which one?
TV axle.
Front left?
Yeah. Fuck.
Can you check the other side too?
Everything's just disconnected.
Like it's the axle for sure. Or it's
Yeah, for 1,000%. It's the axle. It might be something else too.
What the hell happened here?
The inner part of it.
Let's try to get this car inside.
Inner.
I don't want to drive this thing in.
I'm not even gonna go near it.
Yeah.
Arthur, I gotta show you this car. It's very
It's problem.
Now it's rear-wheel drive only with slight clunk in the front.
He's not ready for the noise.
ready for any noise.
Look inside, look inside.
Yeah, the boot is ripped.
Now look on the inside.
What do you think the tranny's
The inside one I'm talking.
The inside one.
Yeah,
it's going
fully ripped.
when he's moving, the whole front end's like seizing back.
Yeah, so
Definitely the
axle shaft, bro.
But I don't think the wheels are spinning. That's why I'm saying you can't drive.
Just put it in the air. I'll tell you right away.
Put it in the air?
Put it in the air.
But how are we gonna get it in to put it in the air?
Oh, it doesn't drive?
That's why I'm
see?
wondering if it's something else.
It's like a clunk.
Bro, it's tranny. Yeah, bro. Tranny's
That's what I was saying. The tranny.
Yeah,
so
the
the
diff.
tranny
This
fucked up axle?
4matic is different. Bro, no, this ain't going in, bro. It doesn't go to neutral? Yeah. So, get some manpower and push
Can
it
we
in.
push it?
Try
See?
to push it.
See if we can. The right front flat tire.
Oh, I think it's seated.
You in neutral right now? It's not the it's not the tranny. That noise you're hearing is it's binding. It's not spinning.
I'm on brake right now. It shouldn't make any noise.
It should because there's an actuator that goes in. You're clicking.
Shouldn't make any noise.
Okay, that's just.
If it's grenaded inside, it will.
Catastrophically. Yeah. No, let's try a couple of people to put it. Can you put it neutral while the car's off? Try to shut off and then just put ignition on. Just ignition on. Trust me.
Yeah.
Guys, push!
Let's see if we can.
You
Did you
push?
get the car out?
Yeah.
Okay, this is where your camera goes down.
One.
Bro, something's apart.
It's the axle. It's the axle. apart.
Something's not attached, bro.
There, it freed up.
Yeah. Yeah. Why? Why did you speak?
No, don't.
Try very slowly like bro, it's on this side.
It freed up. Clunk.
Oh, you know what it is? It's 4x4 shaft. Yeah, stop. It's 4x4 shaft's broken.
Because that side is.
That's what it is. There's a small shaft here.
That goes
and
to the
then there's
crank?
a big shaft that goes to
It's
the
like
back.
the same thing on the Beamer.
The small
Same thing on
shaft
the
is
Beamer.
broken.
From the crank to the transfer?
Or is he saying from the transfer to the front diff?
Yeah. But yo, don't go any further because this time you can actually break the, break the transmission. Even on the brake, it's still spinning the propeller. Yeah. Because it's not attached. Stop it right there. You're gonna have to jack the front up or jack it up and take the rest of the shaft out. There's only 4 bolts on the other side. The other side's for sure broken. Take the bolts out, pull the shaft out, then you can actually drive the car.
We need to jack it up really high.
Two jack stands bigger than you, and there's 4 bolts to take the axle out. Same thing I did on the GTR before.
Bro, this guy too, he's like, oh, it's free. Clunk.
No, this guy talked way too soon.
That poor Merc.
Right?
What do you think it was?
I have no clue. It sounded like a lot of metal broken.
It sounded like a lot of metal that wasn't meant to be touching each other.
Yeah, no, there was a lot of grinding, jingling, and everything, and snapping all together. My diagnosis is that it's broken.
It's broken?
It's broken.
Diagnosis is broken is accurate?
It's broken.
It's broken. It's broken, bro.
Practically mechanic.
Not broken, it's broken.
Broken, bro. Broken. TooFast TV.
Hey.
Yeah.
He already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Yankish.
So high on this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
Can't slide. You can't drive. It is what it is.
Yo, he's taking me to the back of the store, man. I don't know if I feel safe.
Yo, you're so sus. Get on the couch.
Okay, no, that's it. All right.